People come to urban areas to make a living and stay for a better life. However, they are eager for the fresh air of nature among tall concrete buildings. Marina comes from Moscow, one of the greenest cities in the world. At least twice a year, she visits her family in顺德, a small Chinese town. But this time, she comes for a flock of birds. She goes across this city full of light and shadow and immerses herself into the quiet of nature. This sounds incredible, but Marina is the first foreigner to do so in person.
Hello. Hello. How are you?
This is a dense forest hidden deep in the city, less than 5 kilometers from the city centre. It is accessible only by water. Egrets are the masters here. They are an indicator to judge environmental quality. Only good air and water can attract them to gather and breed. Several young birds were born today. Xian Chuanhui is very careful. He can't disturb them. "20 years ago, this woodland, covering 10 hectares, was a wasteland that no one cared about. Xian Chuanhui rented it out and planted bamboo to make scaffolding for construction sites. Right after the bamboo forest grew up, egrets came and inhabited the area. So, he just made it into a secret part of the city. He spends almost all of his spare time here, if he doesn't need to go to construction sites.
Is it your job? Have you planted all of this tree? Oh, it's amazing. You're a hero. It's amazing.
種咗20年我都住喺度咁樣。我又覺得好難管理，好有人懷孕咯，成日去捉雀啊、母乳啊、掘蛇啊、好奇睇睇咁樣。我話喺03年初春3月10號，啲候鳥走咗啦。個唯一個決定就將個冧區喺個邊緣重新斬過啲竹，開條路就挖條河，隔開嗰個冧區，同人活動嘅狗活動嘅地方就隔開，好有人懷孕都入唔到去。我就將個園區改成一個真正意義上鳥嘅棲息地，過冬。啲候鳥越冬嘅地方，即係佢就係繁殖地方啊、越冬地方啊、棲息地咁樣。
What is it for?
即係炸等陣間米咁樣嘅個運動片，外邊係一個鳥山樹啊、棲息地咁樣。
This is a real forest. It's simple and even primitive. Just stay here for a while. Mosquitoes will fly directly at your face. But it is a paradise for migrant birds. Even though she grew up at the zoo where her father worked, Marina has never seen anything like this.
I like China very much. I like Chinese people and I like Chinese nature. It's very interesting. It's differs from Russian nature because I can see a very amazing, rare birds, rare plants.
This is Marina's 4th year in顺德, a small town in southern China known for its manufacturing industry. It is home to nearly 100,000 companies of all kinds. It has 2 industrial clusters worth more than 200 billion yuan respectively for household appliances and machinery equipment. Its economy ranks first among the top 100 regions in China. Marina's husband also runs a factory here. Their youngest daughter can speak fluent Chinese. Every holiday, Marina flies from Russia with her eldest daughter for a family reunion. This time, Marina wants to be a guide and take her daughters to learn about the new顺德.